How you doing, guys? Shorthair Cat's here. Welcome to another cat video. You know, since we haven't had kittens for a while now, and we've just got 7 adult cats, 1 stub boy and 6 female cats, sometimes feel that we haven't had that many games, because when the kittens are around, there's always that opportunity to play more, and the adults do enjoy joining. So today, let's have a game with Britney. Let's make up for it. Let's have a little game. So this is Britney, our Lilac Tortie girl. And she's loving it. You see, this is the problem, because I haven't had kittens. I think it's all got a bit too serious. Life has become drudgery. So to break the monotony, it's game time. Because Britney's not too old, is she? She's not too old to be a playful cat. Are you? Eh? You don't want life to get too serious, do you, Britney? Yeah? Otherwise you might end up being too wise. You want to be playful. So Melody's over there as well. On the left there. She's not so interested. Well, it's a good way for the cats, especially indoor cats, to burn off some energy. Listen to her purring, guys. And look at her eyes. Oh, amazing eyes. Like a tiger. She got it. Oh, tug of war now. I need some help to help me win my tug of war. Can't beat this strong cat. Swipe. What's a swipe? Bit of an audience there. Okay guys, well thanks for joining us today for the cat video, for the daily cat vlog. We post videos every day, so mainly just little short videos like this, just to enjoy seeing the life and times of our cats. For you cat lovers out there, for you British short hair fans, maybe even some fans of Britney here. Listen to her purring, whoa. Thanks for joining us, as I say, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video. But I'm sure there will be a star of the show, a feline friend. Catch you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye.